Hi all, myself Parthiban from Network Redux. We were really excited to be part of this Redis Hackathon event, and we have used almost all the Redis modules in this hackathon. So mainly Redis JSON and then Redis Cloud Database. So special thanks to the Redis Lab team for helping us out with the all our queries. Special thanks to Ajit for helping us. So I'll introduce my team members: Shamshir, Grishma, Vinila, myself Parthiban, and Haridasan. So front end, we have splitted up the app into two, front end and back end. So front end has been handled by Shamshir, Vinila, and Haridasan, and back end has been handled by myself and Grishma. So our main idea for this event is digital auction. So our main idea is to create a SaaS platform for conducting auctions, so digital auctions. So where we were building up a multi-tenant platform, so where the auctioneer can sign up and create their own site, and then set up bidding and conduct auctions. So any authorized user can place bids and then watch how this bid is happening in a real-time basis. And also we have dynamic closing on last bid time. So if there is any bid happening at at the end of the slot, so we have an option to increase the bid, I mean the time for that slot by 15 minutes. So that's what we meant about this dynamic auction closing. So about our platform, so we have sign up, sign in, so where users can set up auctions. So since it's a SaaS platform, so users will be able to create their own site, once they sign up from our website. So apart from the end, other side, the users can view all the list of auctions and they can place bids, and also they can extend the closing timeline based upon the different user activity. And also we have reporting and settlements. So the current website that we have developed is with React front end, deployed with Amazon S3 and AWS CloudFront. And for the authentication purposes, sign up and sign in, we use Amazon Cognito, and the database we use Redis Cloud and Redis JSON for all the APIs for returning the responses and other stuffs. And for the real-time events, we use Socket.io, and backend we use Node.js, and for the computation we use Lambda, and for the push notifications we use Amazon SNS and Amazon SES. So I'll explain about the business model. So we have standard plan and premium plan. The standard plan comes with some limitations with the auctions. So you can place 2 auctions per month and 50 slots per auction. Whereas in premium plan, you'll be able to conduct auctions in an unlimited fashion. So apart from this, both of the plans supports dynamic closing and real-time update dashboards, and then reporting analysis, and also the settlement via the payment gateway. And the pricing stuff we haven't decided yet. So we were working on placing, identifying the prices for these plans. And so we were creating a POC for this idea. Like we were created it as an engine with the Redis module to enable real-time bidding events. So our idea is to, we have created a Node.js application which will connect to the Redis Cloud database, and then using the Redis JSON module, we'll be enabling the socket. Using the Socket.io, we'll be enabling the real-time bidding events. And this particular POC has been deployed into AWS Cloud using the amplifying framework. So here we have built it as a monolithic application, so that we were just want to test how this actual integration of this Redis Cloud database and this Redis JSON and other stuffs works. So we haven't integrated the SaaS part yet. So we'll be working on it. We were working on it, and we'll be implementing it in the upcoming days. And also the notifications and reporting stuffs we haven't added up it here. So we'll be doing it in the later stages. So we were mainly concentrated on the real-time bidding events, and then with the subscriptions. So we have used the APIs for that. So once a user sign up, a subscription will be created, and then a separate database will be created for them. So our main idea about our future plans or future roadmaps is like, enable multi-tenancy for this application so that any user can sign up and they can create their own website, and then for their own conducting their own auctions, and for the session management and other stuff. So we have a list of future plans to integrate Redis for managing sessions and enabling reports and analytics, and integrate a payment gateway, and enable SNS and SES services for the push notifications, and for the data management, like since it's an auction platform, so our database will be populated in a huge manner on a daily basis. So we were planning to move the data dump, on a timely fashion to S3 Data Lake or Redshift, and also to create microservices for each module, so that we have clear clarity on what is happening behind each of the services, and also the deployment part to make use of the CI/CD pipelines. So we have pushed all our changes to this GitHub repo, and I'll give an overview about how to install this app. So once you clone this app from Git, you just have to install it using this npm. So before that, make sure we have Node.js and npm packages installed. So once you've done this two steps, your app will be running up on localhost 3000. So I'll quickly walk you through the demo of this project, so that I'll give you an overall idea about what we have built up. So this is our home page. So where you can view all the auctions, the slots and auction items coming up here with the bid option. And so you have sign up here. So the basic sign up form, so which will prompt you for first name, last name, and email. And since we were planned it to build it as an SaaS platform, so we were prompting it for a name, so that once you sign up, a separate domain will be created for you along with the database. So for that purpose, we have this name of the bidding platform field. So once you enter all this field and click on sign up, you will be receiving a verification code. So you'll be prompted it on the next step, so that your account will get activated. So once you have your account activated, you can sign in and make use of your auction platform. So I'm just signing in with my account. And here you can see all the auction details coming up. So we have mainly used this Redis JSON and Redis Cloud database to populate all this data, and Socket.io for real-time updates. So once you click on an item, you can see the information over here saying when this bidding is gonna start, and you can also set a reminder over here so that you'll get an email whenever this bid starts. And so you can see this amount coming up here, and the current trends, that is the various bids placed by the different users. So this gets updated on a real-time fashion, and also the other metadata information about the item, and also an image gallery where you can browse and see the images of the product. And we have a profile option here, so where you can view a profile, and you can also set your currency under your profile. So, and then we have auctions here. So if you click on this option, you will be able to see all the list of upcoming auctions and my bidding options. So under my biddings, you will be able to see all the list of biddings that you place in the future, like in current and future. So you'll be able to see all this information here. So this is our overall idea of our project, and this is the overall idea of the project. And I especially thank all of my team members for participating in this event, and a special thanks to Hackathon, in Redis Hackathon, for giving us this opportunity to participate. Thank you all.